Hello friends, my today topic is how to create highlight tables using Tableau. You have generally observed that data stored in Tableau is in tabular format in table because the tables helps in organizing the information being conveyed. A tables get bigger, it becomes increasingly difficult to extract insights. To extract insight quickly due to a large number of values. So highlighting the tables differ from normal tables between two ways. They generally contain numerical values. The background of each cell is colored on intensity corresponding to its value. For example, if we compare the superstore sale of a sample superstore data set, then if higher the cell, then highlighted table higher will darker will be the that reason number. That particular subcategory will be the darker because the higher the sales or higher the benefit. So we can understand that higher the intensity of the color in every sale or lighter is showing their value in terms of business benefit. So what we will do now, we will go to the Tableau. This is the Tableau. We will create a new sheet for highlight tables. Highlight tables are used to compare categorical data using color. If we want to represent different category here on the basis of some table, it will show intensity of color will be vary. So cross tabular glimpse of the color with the intensity of the color, you can identify which combination of category has high sales or low sales. By just simply having a look on the table, you can understand this one is the darker. So how the sales is happening in different region, we can understand from here. So we will go here. What we will do, we will simply select category, then we will go to the region, then we will go to the sales, different category, different region sales. Then we will go to show me and in the tabular format. So how simple it is, you can understand. But by simply seeing at the graph, we can understand that the darker the color, then darker much is the sale. In which reason? So you can understand by not seeing the name that this one and this one has a more sales. So what is the reason? The east region technology, west region furniture, west region technology having much higher sales, and south region furniture and office supply have very less sales compared to others. So I hope you can understand easily that what is the importance of the highlight table. Highlight table is simply if you want to have editing something, though you can also do like this. Or you want to exclude this thing, then also. So different kind of variations of in a highlight table you can create according to the data set you want. You just want. You can make your tabular data set much more smarter analysis for different of subcategories. So what we will do now, we can increase the size of this. We can also have some color changes. We can also have some square. We can have also some circle, some color. So I hope you understood the importance of the highlight table. Highlight table is used to create the which one data is much more beneficial or loss making for us. We can by simply viewing this, we can understand. So based on the color intensity, we can identify where the sales is maximum or minimum. If you want to customize or play around this, you can simply do on the basis of colors. You can have number of different colors. So what we will do, we one more chart very quickly we are going to create of Tableau. What we will do here, go to the order tab here. By simply right click, we can convert it to monthly. So we have converted it to the monthly and put the subcategory. Simply drag and drop subcategory here. So we can understand which one a subcategory have in Jan to December. Then put the sales for different color basis to the color. What we will do, we will drag and drop here. We will put this order count here, and what we will do, we will go to here. Then you can easily understand which one category having how much, which one categories have how much of sales. So again put this order here. We can easily understand count is from 68 to this. As a lighter the size, less is lighter the color, less is the sale, darker the color, more is the sale. So on different of segment basis we can analyze the data set on the basis of different segment, how much sales is going on there and how much is not. I hope you understand the importance of the highlighted tables and you understood how to create this. So friends, thank you so much.